Hello, Alexandra here, creator and founder of the Stress Store Lifestyle. In this video, I will be sharing with you exactly what is Builderall and exactly what you can do with it and how you can monetize as well with this platform. Just stay tuned. And if it's your first time to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my training. And also, if you find any value, don't forget to give me a like and comment below so you can let me know that you're looking more to see of more video that I do like this. And exactly what is Builderall? Builderall is an all-in-one platform made out for network marketers by network marketers. If you are familiar with ClickFunnels or lead pages, Aweber, GetResponse, all those tools, conversion pros and stuff like that. That's basically what it is. It's like ClickFunnels with on steroid. I can say it's like everything that you can do with ClickFunnels, you can basically do with that platform. The addition is that you can do more with this platform than just build capture pages and website. You have an autoresponder built in it. You can design your own product. You have like a membership. You can build a membership site. You can build like your own course, like a e-learning course for your team. You can do so much more with this platform, and you paying less than other platform are charging. The other platform charging like $97 or $297. You can charge, they charge you less than $50 for this platform, and you get even more. I'll give you a little tour of the back office to show you exactly what you can do with it. Let me show you. Oh no, it's doing there. Just refresh real quick. Okay. The builder tab, that's where you're gonna build your own website. They have pre-built website already made. All you gotta do is just edit the website with your own information. As you can see, I'm gonna show you. See, all the website already pre-built. Like all you gotta do is just put your information with it, and also they have an autoresponder. Or if you already got Aweber or GetResponse or other one that you're dealing with, you can integrate them into this platform. You can also create your own design. Let's say you can create like a presentation, like let's say you do a webinar, you can design your own other webinar, and then you can also create apps with this platform. It's like there's so much more you can do with it. You can even like sell your own product on this marketplace, on the marketplace like JVZoo. Just like JVZoo, you can have a product that you want to sell. You can just add it to the marketplace and have affiliates promote that product for you. There's a lot you can do, and a lot of you might be wondering exactly how do I monetize, how do I make money with this platform. Great question. Like how you make money is like you outsource the tools to make you more money, because there's a lot of people that don't have the time, or a lot of businesses that would love to pay people that know how to do those type of stuff. If you know how to build a website, you know how to build capture pages, there's a lot of stuff that you know how to do. People are willing to pay you for your knowledge, for your skills, and the minimum now they're charging for a website is like $300-$400 to build a website for a business. Think about it. Like you already got those websites already built. All you gotta do, you just add the information of that business or that person that provided you, and all you gotta do just drag and drop. I can show you, like for example, some of the ones that I created. That's my main capture page that I create myself. I'm not a web tech, honestly. All I did is just drag and drop, like the stuff are already there. You just create it yourself. That's the capture page that I created for my business. You already know, in order to have a business wanting to capture people information, you need a capture page and a website. And also, I have ebooks that I created myself that I'm selling. I create my own sell page as well. All I did, like I said, drag and drop, and I have a course that I'm building. I created the sell page for that course, and all I did, it was everything was a drag and drop. I did not do anything fancy to it all I did just drag and drop everything. Look professional, was already pre-built, and my course will be already ready to be sold at the beginning of this year. If you want more information, I will be putting the link in the description for you to access the course. And also, if you're looking to make money with this platform, you can also test out Builderall for like 7 days to see if you like it, which I know that you will. Like the minimum to start is $10. They have a $10 platform, $30 platform, and the $50 platform. Each of them, they provide you with the tools, but only the $50 one give you the option to resell the platform to also make money, and you get paid on 2 tier. 100% commission on the first tier and 30% residual, and then 30% on second tier. So that means you make money as well when other people in your team are making money. How great is that? So I will be putting the link to the description, like for you to start testing out Builderall for 7 days, and then and then after 7 days you'll be charged $50 if that's what you choose, whatever the price that you decide to go with. After 7 days, that's what you're gonna be paying. But think about it, guys. Like, who doesn't need a marketing system to build their business? Everybody need a marketing system. So if you wanna look professional, you don't want to be looking like a rookie, because if you're building your business online, you need to have a website, you need to have a capture page, you need to have stuff that make you look like that you know what you're doing. You build an actual business. So, and I really recommend this platform. Is not like, it's not gonna break the bank like the other platforms are. Trust me, I tested all those platforms: Conversion Pro, Aweber, Get Response, Lead Pages, ClickFunnel. I tested all of them in Builderall, so I can literally say that Builderall stole my heart. I will not go anywhere else. That's a platform that I'm going on and sticking with, and I want you to do the same and start testing it out for yourself. And on that note, I would thank you for sticking out for this video. If you find value, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like it, give it a comment, and I'm looking forward to partner with you and have you on my team. I have some great bonuses that I have for people that partner with me. You just have to message me. I'll put my information below. Contact me so you can know what those bonuses are, and then when you get started, so we can get you started on our 90-day plan, so you can start building your business online and use this platform to start bringing you some great income, like on the side, or make it a main income or a side income. On that note, it was Alexandra. I'll see you on my next video. Have a good evening.